Hey guys, it's David, and today we are starting the Five Nights at Freddy's series. Let's go, brother. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Here we are. You might be like, David, why are you starting over? Hey man, I already beat it. I already got the pride that I beat it. And yee. To conserve power on night 1, they really don't start moving until like about 3 a.m. So I'll let you guys listen to this. Not very. Blah blah blah. It's nice. Alright, now it's starting to move. There we are. There he goes. Now we're gonna start checking their lights and crap. There he goes, and yes. Yes, and death. Night, Captain. So this night's gonna be a breeze. Just when Chica was gone. Ay, ay, ay. It's dumb animatronics. Putting my cameras out, man. It's rude. How would you like if I put your cameras out? Foxy's not out in Pirate Cove. Chica's out. Just everyone likes that. I'm just waiting for Bonnie to get in that spot, because if he gets in there, I know he's about to come to the doors. Or no one's even come to our doors yet, which is unusual. At least they usually come at least once. Ah, there he is. Now he's about to come. Yep, we already made it. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, boom. Well, it didn't work. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Where's the music? Alright, let's go on the second night. Let's do this. I was calling again, huh? You wanna cuddle me again, sir? Man. Alright, Chico's out. No one even came to our doors last night one, so... Night, Captain. Oh, 2 a.m., night 2, Five Nights at Freddy's series. And we're gonna end the series by beating 2020 again. Well, I'm gonna beat it again. Hey. It's gonna be a fun series. And there he is. Let's check on Pirate Cove. Still not there. Let's check on Chica. Alright, okay, Bonnie's gone. We can go ahead and... Can't find Chica. Let me check. Okay. She's most likely in the kitchen. Just waiting for him to get there, because that's usually where he is before he comes to your door, because it's closest to your door. Come on. Where are you? Like, Foxy's still in his place behind his curtain. Oh, man. Let's check on Foxy. Okay, now he's peeking. Can't find Mr. Bonnie. Ah, Chica. Alrighty. There's Mr. Bonnie. Go away, you stupid chicken. You're gonna drain my power, you dumb chicken. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, mosquito in my room. Crap, get out of here, Mr. Mosquito. You ain't got nothing on me, Mr. Mosquito. You can come over here and bite me right in the arm. What's wrong with you? Mosquitoes are pretty deadly, just so you know. Like, there we go. Hi. Come on. And your day now. Thank you guys for watching. We will continue in the next episode. Take care.